Hello everyone, Ariam here, and with a new year comes a new series. Welcome to Wild and Weird. In this series, I aim to explore some of the strangest and most amazing animals still alive today, so that we can appreciate some animals that are still around, since the other series mainly focus on animals that are long gone, or unfortunately may be on their way out. I hope to have this as an every Wednesday kind of thing, but if life catches up on me, it will be every other Wednesday. Also, many of these animals could potentially be placed in the Extinction event series, since super strange animals are usually highly specialized, highly isolated, or highly sought after for the pet trade or fur, and so a lot of them unfortunately are threatened or near extinction. So whether an animal appears here or in the Extinction series will depend on how endangered it is, how strange it is, and the general vibe. Let's actually get this thing started though with today's very first wild and weird animal, the platypus. This truly is the Frankenstein's monster of the animal kingdom. It's a small semi-aquatic mammal that has a bill like a duck, feet like an otter, a tail like a beaver, and the males are venomous. Yes, you heard that right. Male platypi are venomous. This is a really weird example of sexual dimorphism, which is differences between males and females of a species, and platypus venom is said to be extremely painful, although it is non-lethal to humans. If these venomous spurs were used to catch prey or fend off predators, then it's likely that both sexes would have them. So these venomous spurs on the males are likely linked to territorial disputes during the mating season. Speaking of mating and reproduction, platypi are mammals. They are mammals, but they actually lay eggs. This unique feature means that platypi are monotremes, mammals that lay eggs, and there are only 5 species in the world today that do so. The other 4 are all species of echidna, which don't worry, we will definitely be covering on this series at some point. It's possible that platypi lay eggs because their ancestors used to be a link between mammals and reptiles and birds. Other evidence for this idea is that platypi walk with their legs really splayed out to the side, more like lizards do than most mammals do. Also, there's something interesting about their sex chromosomes that also could tie these things together, but that is really complicated and we just do not have time to go into that. Once baby platypi hatch, well, of course they're mammals. They have to get milk from their mother, right? Yes, but platypi females don't have nipples or teats or anything of the sort, so they just sort of sweat the milk out from their skin and then the babies lick it up. It's kind of gross. Finally, as if this venomous egg-laying mammal couldn't get any weirder, its eyes are mostly useless and it hunts prey underwater using echolocation. This means that instead of heavily relying on sight, sound, or smell, platypi mainly hunt using special receptors in their bill to pick up on the electric currents that their prey produces. Electroreception is common in other water-based animals, specifically lots of fish, including sharks, but platypi and echidnas are really the only mammals known to have this trait. So there you have it. I really had to start out wild and weird with a bang, and the platypus really fulfills that role. A mammal that lays eggs, sweats out milk, has the body parts of several other animals combined, is venomous, and senses its prey using electrical currents. What a strange little guy. There's so much more that can be talked about with the platypus. Their sex chromosomes, the fact that they glow under black light. They are really strange animals, and it made them the perfect first subject for this series. So if you have any suggestions for other animals you'd like to see on Wild and Weird, please let me know, and as always, remember to smile.